So guys, welcome back to a video, and today we are back at trucking. So we're gonna open these doors right here, open the big door, and hop in the big boy right here, the Volvo, because we have a huge load of construction equipment to drag over. Attached. So yeah, let's get on straight to the shop. So guys, we have made it at the shop, and as you can see, our equipment's right there. So this is the first load of the day. I'm just gonna park the truck right here. Ford up next to shut her down. But as you can see, we have a Cat D7R XL, and we have another Cat over here, 259D. So these are the equipment. This one's in black, which I don't like black actually. The black does look good on it. So start her up. So yeah, this one here is gonna go on first, second, not 100% sure. I'm not sure when it'll be put on, but I'm not sure. I think I'll put it on in front of, I don't know. Let's get up in this boy. Alright, so now we're in. Alright guys, we're in. Over to the truck. She's already started up, so what I gotta do is drive back. Right, strap it all down. Alright, we're all strapped down now. As you can see, we're right here. We're going to be taking this construction equipment all the way over right here. This is where we're going to take it. So guys, let's get straight on to that. So guys, we're pretty close. We're going very slow. We got a car behind us because we don't want this thing to flip or anything. The road to get access to the place we need to drop this load off is right here. So this is where we, in this area, is where they're going to be working on. So right up next to this bridge, actually I think we need to cross the bridge Alright guys, so we're heading back to the shop here and gonna clean the truck and the trailer. Got a little muddy. Alright, so guys, we're back at the farm here. I'm cleaning the trucks up. But we do have another load we have to go grab with our gooseneck, set it up, forward over there. At 450, we have to go grab a tanker trailer and bring it to a farm somewhere over there. But I'm going to keep on washing the trailer here in the truck, and we'll get right over there. Alright guys, so we have showed up. As you can see, this is the tanker right here. This is what we're taking to the farm. And I don't actually know why the guy couldn't have come get it himself. Now you're probably wondering what I mean by that. The farm is literally right there. He lives over there. So I don't understand why this guy could have come and getting it himself. But he just wants us to real quickly go over there and put the strobe lights on. As you can see, he wants us to come over there real quickly and drop it off. It's a pretty easy job. Like I said, he lives right here. Literally. It's probably one of the shortest deliveries I've ever made. He basically said that he just wants it put out in the middle here. But yeah guys, that's basically it. Strobe lights are off. There's a tank right there. And yeah, head back to the shop and meet in this video. But guys, see you next time.